7 as well, either Ruby Elite, to Sapphire, or beyond. So I just wanted to add that in there, Mr. Roebuck. I didn't want anyone to think that they would be able to actually get officially into the Sapphire Emerald program in current year. That actually is an annual incentive.
It is. Thank you very much for clarifying that.
Yes.
And also, Bookkeeper, check the boxes on that flyer. The boxes was put on there intentionally. They're not just placeholders. But the first one says, attend a small business certification class in 2026. So to unlock these incentives, you must retake a small group certification or take the new small group certification in 2026. And because you have this flyer with it, you can track as you go. Print it off, have it in your book. When you hit Ruby Elite, put a check box, put a check mark in that box. Hit level 2, go ahead and put a check mark in there. That way you can track your business. So we're going to help you this year focus on tracking your business a lot more. And